Hi! Now the third variation, it's a diamond push-up.
The lights in here are blinding me and I can't see clearly anymore.
Get down onto the mat.
How this will end. No, nothing scares me anymore. If we never see tomorrow, babe. If we never make
Don't forget
it
your
through
breathing.
today. If we never see tomorrow, babe. I know that I lived how I wanted to.
Yeah, so the next one is an incline push-up. Choose an inclined spot in your home. It can even be a small table or a desk.
The lights in here are blinding me and I can't see clearly anymore. I have no fear how this will end. No, nothing scares me anymore. If we never see tomorrow, babe. If we never make it through today.
The next one is a decline push-up. You can use the same spot as before that you use for incline. Only thing, your body gets reversed.
If we never make it through today. If we never see tomorrow, babe. I know that I lived how I
Your
wanted
toes
to.
stay and your upper part of the body decline. Oh, I'm tired. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you all liked it. If you liked the video and if you think it's beneficial for you or any of your friends and family members, feel free to share. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you. Keep supporting me. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay good, stay positive. Bye-bye.